The Police Federation is now investigating reports that 3 police personnel assigned to the holding area of the Supreme Court have contracted tuberculosis TB. It's suspected that they contracted the disease while tending to an infected prisoner. Chairman of the Police Federation, Sergeant Petrero, told our news center that one of the police personnel is in serious condition in hospital. Tuberculosis is a disease caused by a bacteria which usually attacks the lungs but can also cause damage to other parts of the body. TB is spread through the air when a person with the disease coughs, sneezes, or talks. The 15-year-old daughter of a pastor in St. James is now hospitalized in serious condition after she was shot while attending a church service this morning. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has the details.
A prayer circle on the grounds of the Falmouth Hospital Wednesday morning. These people are here to give thanks, but the circumstances which brought them here is heartrending. A 15-year-old church member was shot and injured. It's reported that shortly after midnight, the teenager was standing in the churchyard of the Emmanuel Chapel in Mount Salem with friends, watching the fireworks coming from Pier 1 when she was struck in the head by a bullet. She was rushed to hospital where she underwent emergency surgery. Our news team spoke with her father, Pastor Mark Mullings.
It's a very heartrending situation that I do not wish for anyone to experience whatsoever. But be that as it may, we are thankful that the situation was not in any way worse than it turned out to be. It could have been so much more worse, but God's grace and mercy has overshadowed her, and so she is still with us today. She has come out of surgery and is recovering. We look forward to the next few days as to what will unfold, but we are very hopeful.
Her mother is also thankful her daughter is alive. She shared a conversation they had as they prepared to leave their home Tuesday night.
She came to me and she said, "Mommy," with basically tears, she said, "Mommy, I feel like something bad is going to happen to me in 2020. And I encouraged her and I said, "Baby, look at how God kept us right through 2019. He is more than able to keep us through 2020. And to see this happen now, when I say shake my very core, it shake my very core. So it is not something one would think that the church is the safest place to take your child. We don't allow them to walk the street aimlessly, right? And to know that you take your child to church and they were just interacting with their friends, and we could have lost her."
The St. James police are investigating the matter. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.